Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 11 of our 365-day English challenge. Today, we have something magical. We're learning English with Harry Potter. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, who is your favorite Harry Potter character? Harry Potter books and movies are filled with amazing English phrases and expressions. Let's explore some of them and how to use them in daily life. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Meaning, a playful way to say you're planning something mischievous. Example, before sneaking into the kitchen for midnight snacks, I said, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. It's the van chooses the wizard, meaning, the right things in life will find you. Example, I didn't plan to be a teacher, but I love it. I guess the van chooses the wizard. It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live, meaning, don't just think about goals, take action. Example, I always wanted to learn Spanish, so I finally started today. It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live. Not much, but it's home, meaning, used to express love for something simple but special. Example, my small apartment isn't fancy, but as Ron Weasley says, it's not much, but it's home. What's one place you love, even if it's simple? Tell me in comments. You're a wizard, Harry. Meaning, a way to tell someone they have hidden talents or potential. Example, after my friend baked a perfect cake for the first time, I told her, you're a wizard, Sarah, your challenge. Tag a friend and tell them what they're great at. Mischief managed, meaning, used when a task, especially something tricky or secretive, is completed. Example, I finally finished cleaning my room. Mischief managed. When in doubt, go to the library. Meaning, if you're unsure, seek knowledge or do research. Example, I didn't know how to bake a cake, so I looked it up online. When in doubt, go to the library. Fear of a name increases fear of the thing itself, meaning, avoiding something only makes it scarier. Face your fears. Example, I was scared to speak English, but I started practicing. Fear of a name increases fear of the thing itself. We've all got both light and dark inside us. Meaning, everyone has good and bad moments, but we choose who we become. Example, sometimes I get angry, but I try to be kind. We've all got both light and dark inside us. You're a little scary sometimes, you know that. Meaning, a fun way to tell someone they're impressive but slightly intimidating. Example, you just memorized 100 English words? You're a little scary sometimes, you know that. I don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me, meaning, a funny way to say that problems always come your way. Example, I just stepped outside, and it started raining. Trouble usually finds me. We could all have been killed, or worse, expelled, meaning, a dramatic way to say something bad almost happened. Example, I almost lost my phone. We could all have been killed, or worse, expelled. Vocabulary from Harry Potter. Here are 5 magical words that will improve your English. Muggle, a person with no special abilities. Example, my brother is a muggle when it comes to cooking. Bewitched under a magical spell. Example, the kids were bewitched by the amazing magic show. Charmed, pleasantly surprised or impressed. Example, I was charmed by the beauty of the old bookstore. Enchanted, fascinated or delighted. Example, the little girl was enchanted by the glowing fairy lights. Vanished, disappeared suddenly. Example, my chocolate cake vanished from the fridge. Who ate it? Today's challenge is, use one of these phrases in a sentence. Tell me your favorite magical word, comment below. I will be reading and replying. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Give this video a big like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, so you never miss a magical English lesson. And remember, mischief managed. See you tomorrow for day 12.